I'm coming to you from the office. However, we're going to reach out to Sergeant Brett Moore of the VZET team, who's currently on the road in Toronto. Sergeant Moore, can you hear me?
I got you. Thanks, Sean. Perfect. I'm coming to you from my office, which is not probably as comfortable as yours. So I'll just rub that in, make that point. Um, just to give you a quick update. Thanks for reaching out. Listen, it's a bit of a blustery winter day. We've got full on winter today. Well forecasted. Shouldn't be surprised to anybody, but definitely you've got you know folks probably are thinking, the officers on the VZET team aren't out doing much enforcement today. You'd be right in the sense that there's not much sort of speed enforcement, right? We've got lots going on still in regards to drivers looking for that aggressive driver, the driver that isn't just getting that message of slow down. Today isn't a maximum kind of day on our streets. So if you're finding yourself on a 50 or 60 kilometer per hour route, you shouldn't be going anywhere near that speed today. You need that time distance to brake, to react to things in front of you, all of those good things. And we're still looking, again, we've got our unmarked vehicles, and we're always looking for drivers that are still on their phones and just not getting that handheld thing as well. So, what else can I tell you? I'll show you what I'm up to. This is what we sort of got going on. See if this works. Right. Still a bit of snow coming down. Roads are slushy and covered. I mean, it's slick to be as an understatement. So, what we're asking folks to do is you're going to see those working snow plows out and about. Give them room. It's one of those things where we keep saying all the time, these guys got a tough enough job without you cutting them off or getting in their way. Give them ample room to do their job, clear our streets. The faster they get done, the faster we can get around to sort of a little bit more normal conditions. So, anyways, that's sort of an update. I'll flip it back. See if we got it. Yeah, there we go. And I'll sign off. Any comments or things you've been following online, Sean?
Well, we've just been watching the updates about plows. We want to make sure that everyone, as you said, steers clear of them, gives them the room to work, and nothing that's been crazy. So we're glad. No news is good news.
Maybe I'll just throw something out to our friends at the collision reporting centers. I can tell you as well, if you find yourself in a crash, police are going to be tied up. You're going to hear things in the news. I have no doubt about it. You're going to probably get some requests for information later on, I'm sure, Sean, about how many collisions did we investigate or what's going on the roads. I can tell you, if you find yourself in a fender bender, which most of these are going to be, find yourself in a ditch, something like that, and you can, and nobody's injured. Nobody's going to the hospital and needs an ambulance. That's perfect for our collision reporting center. So we've got one of two. I've had to help a few folks out today, just blocking traffic so they could take another run at a few roads. Last one was on Kipling Avenue. Anyways, just to wrap it up, really what it comes down to, I always say, folks, just jump on the phone. Most of us now have internet connectivity in our cell phones. Just Google Toronto Police Collision Reporting Center. It'll take you right to the web page where you get all the information you need to get down to one of our reporting centers. And sort of a pro tip: you don't have to go today, right? Let this storm get out of here, let it get cleaned up, and you can go in the next 24, 48 hours. Our friends down there at the CRC will take your report well after the storm has passed. So I'll leave it at that.
Yeah, the big thing is exchange information, take photos of so you can have the best evidence to show that officer when you go to the reporting center, and get off the road and be somewhere safe and warm.
You got it, buddy. Thanks, Len.
Awesome. Thanks, Sarge. We'll check in with you later. Take care.
Yep, bye.
Bye bye.